Hello, boys and girls. I'm Rocky the cat. I'm good. And you? How are you? Look, so many colors. Let's mix the colors. Red and blue make purple. Blue and yellow make green. Yellow and red make orange. Red and blue and yellow make black. Can you repeat the colors? Let's do it! Red, purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, black. Let's continue mixing colors. Red and white make pink. White and black make gray. Black and orange make brown. Can you repeat the colors? Let's do it! Red, pink, white, gray, black, orange, brown. Do some color splash at home. Ask your parents for a disposable plate, cotton swabs, food coloring, some fat milk, plastic cups, and some washing up liquid. Follow the steps. Step number 1. Step number 2. Step number 3.